welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys Mochi 1, a groundbreaking open source video generation model developed by Genmo AI. First part of this video, I will be focusing on just show you guys through this open source GitHub project. And once we finish that, we're gonna move into the Genmo AI platform where Mochi 1 can be also used. Okay, so stick around and I'll be going through all the details right now. So Mochi 1 is not just an AI generation model, it represents a significant leap in technology. With its state-of-the-art architecture, this model is designed to create high-fidelity videos that adhere closely to user prompts. So let's explore some of the standout features of Mochi 1. So it's unmatched motion quality. Okay, Mochi 1 generates realistic motions that respect the laws of physics, capturing even the tiniest details in the movement. Superior prompt adherence. Users can expect exceptional alignment between their text prompts and the generated videos. For instance, you can create a cinematic trailer featuring a space adventure in vivid colors. Crossing the uncanny valley, the model excels at creating consistent and fluid human actions and expressions, making your videos feel lifelike. So Mochi 1 is built on a robust asymmetric diffusion transformer architecture, featuring an impressive 10 billion parameters. This allows it to process complex prompts efficiently while maintaining high-quality outputs. To get started with Mochi, simply clone the repository from GitHub and follow the installation instructions. It's designed for both single and multi-GPU setups, ensuring flexibility for various hardware configurations. One of the most exciting aspects of Mochi 1 is its fine-tuning capabilities. Users can easily adapt the model to their specific needs using LoRa fine-tuning techniques. The community is already contributing to its evolution with various projects aimed at enhancing functionalities. While Mochi 1 is a powerful tool, it's just important to acknowledge its limitations. The model currently generates videos at the resolution of 480 pixels and may exhibit minor distortions in extreme motion scenarios. Additionally, users should implement safety protocols when deploying this technology commercially. Genmo AI is missioned on redefined video generation. I'm gonna move that now into the platform. If you're passionate about AI and want to be a part of this revolution, check out the careers page and join our team. So some of you guys who actually are good in coding and wants to do some development on those AI video generation tools, there are some links there where you can go ahead and just start go ahead and just cooperate with those people, you know. So now let's go and move into this Genmo AI platform where you can go and see Mochi 1 in in motion. Okay, so we're gonna see this video. I'll be putting the whole video from start, but I just want to go and switch off this the sound. Okay, so I will show you the full video. Okay, and that's all has been done by Mochi 1. I think that's quite amazing. Look at the details of this video. Okay, and everything been done absolutely from scratch using AI. The details are great. Okay, motions are fantastic. Everything looks so natural and realistic. Okay, so I think it's something which really it might appeal to everyone who is actually interested in AI video generation. Okay, so this one is definitely will be on the rise in my opinion. Okay, so now if you know how to go and navigate this Mochi 1 through the GitHub open source project, you can go always feel free to go and download it into your own machine and start working through yourself. You know, it's an open source, you can go and start using it straight away. But let's say that you want to go and do some sort of testing on their platform. Okay, we go to pricing, and the pricing is so simple and simply straightforward. Okay, you can always for free you can create 4 videos every 6 hours. Okay, up to 30 videos monthly to explore your creativity. It includes Genmo watermark for personal, no commercial use, and standard generation speed. Okay, for somebody who wants to test it, I think it's absolutely amazing. If you want to go and start paying for the tool, however, okay, let's go with the monthly one. For $10, we got 8 videos every 6 hours, up to 80 videos monthly for extended creativity, watermark-free creations for a professional touch, full commercial usage rights to monetize your content, and standard generation speed. Okay, and for the standard, we got it $30. So, guys, if you want, you can go ahead and start using it, for free, and you got 4 videos every 4 hours, every 6 hours, which I think is quite amazing. Okay, so let's now go and try to generate something. Or you know what? Let's go into the studio. They call it a playground. Okay, so now where we are in the playground of Mochi One, and we want to generate something, and let's say we don't have any idea what to generate, so we just go and click need prompt ideas. Okay, and AI just randomly creates some sort of a simple prompt for us. Extreme close up on eye, filling the frame with the areas, purple, and surrounding texture. Okay, so let's go and generate this one. We will see if it's gonna generate for us or how long do we need to wait for it. Okay, in the meantime, it's one of those which I generated in the past. Okay, I just put some simple prompt, and that's one of the videos which I was generated with. Okay, using this tool. I think it's quite amazing. It's a very short 2 seconds video, but still it's great. Okay, and now we are already on the rendering of 10%, so let's wait for another minute or two and see what's happened. In the meantime, let's move into the other generations which were already created by the other users. Look at this cat, it's so funny, isn't it? But the details, look at the details, colors, details, movements, everything. It looks so great. I think this tool is quite amazing. And there are hundreds of those videos are being available for you guys. So if you create your video, you can go, you'll be able to see that video here on the on this playground side of the whole tool. Okay, so some of those videos are quite amazing. Okay, so look at this. It's all been done by AI. Okay, or for example, this one here. There you go. So many details. I think it's quite amazing, this one. There you go. Look, it's like it's a live video, being somebody in a car and just making a photo shoot of the other car. Like, I think it's quite amazing what the videos can be, what generations can be achieved using this particular one. Okay, so let's go back to other video. Is it already there? It's 74%, so we are nearly there. I will come back to you guys once this is ready. Okay, our video is now ready. So let's go and watch it. Okay, it's only a 2 to 3 seconds video, but the details are actually in place. It's something which was definitely set on the prompt, and I think that's the whole idea of what was expressed via the prompt. Mochi One grasped perfectly. Okay, so I'm happy with this creation. I think, guys, that's all what I want to cover in this one. Okay, I'll be leaving the link to this GitHub project. You can go ahead and check it yourself. All the instructions, APIs, how to set your own APIs and everything else, how to fine tune with LoRa's, how to go through the model architecture, everything. It's there for you, hardware requirements. Okay, so I think that's all been there. And you guys, if you're interested, go and check it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Any questions, leave it down below inside the description, and thank you very much for watching.